Thank you for choosing MultiStep for your Shopify store. We're excited to present a novel approach that allows you to smoothly lead your customers through a thoughtful, step-by-step shopping experience. Here's an example of how different paths and steps can be presented to customers using MultiStep. To start building out your first path, click New Path in the admin area. This is where you'll name your path, choose a captivating cover image, and adjust various settings to tailor it to your shop's theme. Your new path's first step is automatically ready for you. You just need to fill in the details and pick which products to show. Continue building by adding more steps and products. This gives you the opportunity to thoughtfully introduce the customer to specific products at each step of the path. When setting up products, some of the options include adding star ratings and setting product variants to show images. Also, if you want to upsell an item, you can choose to make it visible after the other products in the step are in the customer's cart. There are two main ways to structure the customer flow. The first is by creating more than one path, which allows customers to choose their preferred one, each containing steps of products and steering customers to a specific shopping experience. The second, more simple customer flow is the use of only one path. This is when you just want your customers to go through steps rather than choosing from several paths first. Creating just one path will start your customers at step 1 of that single path and skip the option of letting them choose between paths. Once you've set up your paths in our admin dashboard, head over to the Shopify's Theme Customizer to add the MultiStep Start button to any page of your shop. This button kicks off the entire process when a user clicks it. After the Start button is added to a page, also be sure to enable the app embed for MultiStep content. And that's all it takes to get up and running. Thanks for joining and for using MultiStep.